Look here, little kids, that's my school bag. I have a lot of wonderful things with me. So come here, little kids, let's learn what I have in my school bag today. First up, we have a pencil. Kids, that's a pencil. Can you say pencil? Say pencil. Great! We use the pencils to write. Now look kids, I have a lot of pencils here. Can you help me count them? Let's count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pencils. And now I have some books here. These are books. Look kids, a lot of books. Can you say books? Say it, books. Great. Kids, we read from the books. We read stories from the books. Now look here kids, I have some books here. Can you guess the colors of these books? How many colors do you see? I see orange, purple, and blue color. Great job! And here I have some crayons. These are crayons. Can you say crayons? Crayons. They're so colorful. Kids, we draw a lot of things on a page with the crayons. Do you love to play with the crayons? I love to draw with the crayons. Now look here kids, we have 2 boxes of crayons. Can you tell me which box is bigger? That box is bigger. Did you guess it right? This one is bigger. Look kids, now we have an eraser. That's an eraser. Can you say eraser? Eraser. Great. Kids, we need eraser to erase our mistakes. Now look here kids, I have a lot of erasers. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many erasers? 4 erasers. And now we have a sharpener. Kids, that's a sharpener. Can you say sharpener? Say it with me. Sharpener. Great job. We need the sharpener to sharpen the pencil, just like this. And now look here kids, I have 2 sharpeners. Can you guess which one is smaller? This one is smaller. You guessed it right. This sharpener is smaller in size. And now we have some rulers. Kids, these are rulers. Say it with me. Rulers. Say it again. Rulers. Great. We need the rulers to measure and draw straight lines. Now look kids, these are my rulers. Can you help me guess the colors of these rulers? How many colors do you see? I see 2 colors. Orange and Green. Great job! Look here, little kids. These are my toy dinosaurs. I love to play with them. I have a whole collection. There's so many. So come on, little kids. Let's count my dinosaurs together. First up, let's count together from 1 to 10. 1 dinosaur. 2 dinosaurs. 3 dinosaurs. 4 dinosaurs. 5 dinosaurs. 6 dinosaurs. 7 dinosaurs. 8 dinosaurs. 9 dinosaurs. And 10 dinosaurs. Great job! We counted from 1 to 10. Look here, kids. We have some pink dinosaurs. How many are they? Let's count them together. 1 2 3 4. These are 4 dinosaurs. How many dinosaurs? 4 dinosaurs. And now we have some green dinosaurs. Can you count with me? Let's count them together. 1 2 3. We have 3 dinosaurs here. How many? 3 dinosaurs. Hey, look, we have some more. There's so many, and the long neck. Let's count them together. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are 6 dinosaurs. Great job! Now here come some purple ones. These are purple dinosaurs. Now kids, count them. You have to count them yourself. Can you count them? How many are they? Did you count them? These are 4 dinosaurs. Great job! Hey, we have some big dinos here. They look so big. Let's count them together. 1 2 3 4 and 5. These are 5 dinosaurs. How many? 5 dinosaurs. Now look, kids, you have to count these dinosaurs alone. Count them. Come on, kids, the time is running. Count the dinosaurs. Did you count them? How many are they? These are 3 dinosaurs. Did you count them right? 3 dinosaurs. Did you hear that? That's a baby animal, and he's calling for you. Do you know the name of this baby animal? No? So come here, little kids. Let's go to my farm and meet all the baby animals today. First up, we have a kid. That's a baby goat, and we call it a kid. Look, kids, it's so cute. Just like a tiny goat. What do you call a baby goat? We call it a kid. It's so cute. And now we have a cow. The baby cow is called a calf. Say it with me. What do you call the baby of a cow? We call it a calf. Can you hear the calf? It's a baby cow calling for his mother. Here comes a lamb. Kids, the baby of a sheep is called a lamb. Just like a Mary had a little lamb. Great! Look, kids, it's so tiny. That's a lamb. Now, can you tell me what do you call the baby of a sheep? We call it a lamb. Great job. And here we have a tiny chick. Kids, the babies of a chicken is called a chick. Look, they're so tiny. They're so small. What do you call the baby of a chicken? We call them chicks. Great. And now we have a baby horse. We call it a foal. What do we call a baby horse? We call it a foal. Look, kids, it's small and it's so cute. What is it? It's a foal. And now we have a duckling. Look at this cute little duckling. The babies of a duck is called ducklings. Great! They have different colors and they're so small. Can you tell me again? What do we call the baby of a duck? They are called ducklings. Did you know, kids? The farm animals have superpowers. Yes, my friends, farm animals are actually superheroes. So let's learn about what each animal does for us. Look, friends, here comes a super cow. It's a cow. Can you say it? It's a cow. And you know, kids, cow gives us a lot of milk. Yes, my friends, the milk that keeps us healthy and gives us a lot of calcium is given by the cow. And here comes a chicken man. Kids, that's a chicken. Chickens. And you know, chicken gives us a lot of eggs. These are eggs, kids, and eggs give us a lot of protein. And here comes an incredible sheep. Kids, it's a sheep. Say it with me. Incredible sheep. Great job. And you know, kids, sheep give us a lot of wool. We use those wool to make warm clothes for us. Sheep give us wool. Look here, kids. Here comes a horseman. It's a horse. Kids, that's a horse. And you know, horses are really super. They have a lot of energy and strength, and they help us in the farm. Horses are really helpful for us. Hey, it's a super goat. Kids, it's a goat. Say it with me, super goat. And you know, just like a cow, goats also give us a lot of milk. Goat's milk keeps us healthy and strong, and it gives us a lot of calcium. And at the end, we have an incredible dog. Kids, this is a dog. Say it with me, incredible dog. And you know, dogs are really faithful. They make sure there's no danger around. They help us in the farm. Great job, little kids! We learned every superpower of a farm animals. See you next time! Hey kids, do not forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe to the channel so that you can learn with me every single day.